Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to calculate the view analytics functionality. I'll also demonstrate how to go through the documentation feature. So as you can see in the left sidebar, there is a feature called view analytics. So if I click on view analytics, let me open it up in a new tab. So as you can see, it redirects to a new page which has 4 cards, as you can see. So I'm going to explain each of them one by one. So if you go to the first card, it says percentage distribution of questions by question type. So how is this card calculated? So this card basically distributes the percentage based on question type. So this card takes in the surveys of this organization or associated with this organization and takes all the questions from those surveys and then distributes the percentage based on the question types like text, paratext, MCQ, etc. As you can see, some of them have percentages like 33.3% for paratext, MCQ and scale. So this is how this card is calculated. So if I go to the second card, which says percentage distribution of survey states. So as you can see, there are 4 survey states, as you already know by now, that the 4 states are draft, waiting, live and completed. So this card distributes the percentage based on the survey state, like live is X%, waiting is X%, draft is X%, based on the surveys within this organization or associated with this organization. Now if I go to the third card, which says percentage distribution of survey responses with respect to total survey responses. So as you can see in the title, it is basically the percentage distribution of survey responses. For example, if you take one response and your total survey responses under this survey is 20, so the percentage would be 1 by 20. If there is 15, the percentage would be 1 by 15. So this is how this percentage is calculated. So if I go to the fourth card, it says percentage distribution of survey progress with respect to each survey. So this card calculates the percentage distribution of survey progress. So if you have one taken response out of, let's say, 15 target responses of a particular survey, then it only calculates for that particular survey, not all the surveys combined, like in the previous card. So this is how the fourth card is calculated. So if I go back to the dashboard, I want to show you one more settings, that is the documentation. So if I open the documentation in a new tab, so as you can see, this is the documentation of organization. So it shows how to use these functionalities, all the functionalities available. So as you can see in the left sidebar, it has all the points or all the topics covered. If you click on these topics, it will take you to the preferred feature that you want to take. For example, the home is basically the dashboard explanation. Then if you go to create survey, it takes you to the create survey explanation. So the form of create survey. If you go to the any of the question types, let's say checkbox, it explains how the checkbox is made. So this is how the documentation is done of the organization. So these are the 2 features that I wanted to cover in this video.